Let me ask you something. When someone asks ChatGPT or Gemini a question in your field, does your content pop up as the answer? Or is it out there somewhere, screaming into the void of page 2 of Google? Spoiler, nobody goes to page 2, not even AI. We're talking about GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, and why it might just be your new best weapon, right after caffeine. For years, SEO was king. Keywords, backlinks, domain authority. You know the drill. You wrote for humans, hoping Google's algorithm would eventually notice, kind of like leaving love notes for a robot. But now AI is stepping in. People are skipping the browser entirely and asking ChatGPT, what's the best way to grow on YouTube? Or, how do I get clients as a solo entrepreneur without selling my soul? Or worse, networking. The game isn't about getting clicks anymore. It's about being the source that AI tools trust. And no, bribing the algorithm won't work. We've tried. Let's break it down. Use the answer first format. Don't warm up, don't flirt. Just answer the damn question. Start your content with a direct, clear answer, like, what is organic marketing? Organic marketing is the art of growing your business without paid ads by actually being helpful. Radical, I know. Then go deeper. Add insights, comparisons, and context, because AI loves nuance almost as much as it loves certainty. End with a Q&A section. Why? Because AI models are basically overachieving students. They love neatly formatted answers. Structure like a German engineer. Use headings, short paragraphs, bullet points. If your blog post looks like a wall of text, AI and humans will back away slowly. Use schema markup. That's right, we're coding feelings into our content now. Today's user doesn't search headphones. They search best noise-canceling headphones under $200 for frequent flyers who hate children. Be specific. Embrace the weirdly detailed. Use tools like Answer the Public for the kinds of questions people would ask if Google had a couch and a therapist license. RFs, to find keyword gaps big enough to drive a truck through. Google Keyword Planner, because, well, it's there. Google's and AI are getting picky. They want content with EEAT. Experience. Talk about things you've actually done. Expertise. Add details that only someone who's in the trenches would know. Authoritativeness. Cite sources, even if it feels like writing an essay again. Trustworthiness. Don't make stuff up. This isn't LinkedIn. And remember, authority today isn't built only through backlinks. It's built by showing up everywhere. Blogs, podcasts, forums, smoke signals if you must. Yes, even solo creators need to care about crawlability. It's not glamorous, but neither is success until the screenshot of your Stripe account hits Twitter. Fix your site structure. Use meta tags and FAQ schemas. Make your site load fast, especially on mobile, because half your audience is watching you while pretending to work. And keep your content fresh. If your article still says 2022 trends, congratulations. You've just trained AI to ignore you. GEO isn't just another acronym. It's your chance to show up in the one place people are actually paying attention. AI-generated answers. Write for AI like it's your future investor. Clear, useful, trustworthy, with just enough personality to remind it you're not a spreadsheet. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. Or don't. But then don't complain when GPT quotes someone else. See you next time, creator. May your keywords be long tail and your bounce rate low.